Hello. If you're wondering about getting satellite television, you've done the right thing by taking the time to watch this video. What you're going to see is that between them, Comet and BSB offer an unbeatable combination that you just won't find anywhere else. In a moment, we'll be looking at the BSB programs, but before that, I want to show you why Comet is such an important part of the package. Let's look first at what you need. To get BSB, you'll need one of these smart remote-controlled receivers. You'll also need an aerial, which comes in the form of a compact dish, or the famous squarial, both of which are about 1/3 the size of previous satellite dishes, by the way. So they're nowhere near as unsightly. And that's it. No special television, no other boxes or gadgets. Now, there are several manufacturers who make the equipment, and obviously you don't want to be told which one you're going to have. You want to be able to make that choice for yourself. And that's the thing you always get at Comet, a wide range of high-quality brand names. So you know where to go to make your choice. The next thing you need is to see for yourself what the programs are like and how the BSB system works. Now, this isn't something you want to hurry. Where Comet scores is that nearly all of its stores have live demonstrations and specially trained staff. They're also open until 8 p.m. Monday to Friday, so you can go after work, with the family if you like, and decide together. One of the things you'll find is that there's more to BSB than just TV programs. Take this feature for example. Just by using the remote control that comes with the receiver, you can also control who watches what in your household. Very important if you've got children. Last, but by no means least, once you've bought your system, you don't want to be kept hanging around. You want it installed as soon as possible. Comet will do it in 4 days or less. They've got an installation service specializing in BSB, and behind them stands the biggest dedicated service operation in the country. So what about price? Well, Comet's reputation for always supplying the best products at the best possible price is well known, and BSB equipment will be no exception. So there you are. Expert advice, choice, convenience, speed, service, and value for money. Every reason for coming to Comet. That's all fine and well, but what's the reasoning behind BSB? In other words, why do they think you'll want to watch? The answer is quite simple. Choice. Your choice. Research done by BSB showed that nearly half the people in the country were dissatisfied with what the current broadcast television channels have to offer. All 4 channels have a variety of programs designed to appeal to a variety of people at various times during the day. So the chances are that if you come home one evening and want to watch, say, some sport, or maybe a recent film, you're at the mercy of the program planners. Not with BSB. BSB is all about providing the sort of programs people want when they want to watch them. Now I want to give you a real flavour of just what BSB choice means. And this is a great place to start. It's the transfer suite. It's the heart of the movie channel. Unique deals with the Hollywood majors have given BSB viewers the very best. You want to see a new movie? They're all new. When do you want to see it? Now, of course.
If you ever see me again, you never saw me before.
How do you figure?
The man cheated.
I say he improvised.
He cheated!
He adapted, he overcame. I'll put my life takers and heartbreakers up against anyone, any place, at any time. We're going to war, man.
Get on your feet, Highway!
With all due respect, sir, you're beginning to bore the hell out of me.
Could have had class. I could have been a contender. I could have been somebody. Instead of a bum, which is what I am. Let's face it.
How far are you willing to go, Michael?
Let's recognize it for what it is, a scandal.
So whenever you want to see a movie, it's there. But as for sport, there's masses of it on BSB, and you're not kept hanging around for that either. because just like the movie channel, whenever you want it, it's there. And isn't it great to know that whatever the night of the week, there's always the main event at 8 o'clock. Oh, and we haven't forgotten children, and certainly not young adults. You may not like the power station, but your kids certainly will. And when you do want some music, it's there.
I'm Shaka Khan. You're watching The Power Station.
Could have told you so. Could have told you dreams would come and go. Could have told you so.
He's gonna end up on the dirty boulevard. He's going out.
Hi guys, I'm Matt, I'm Luke, and we're Bruss.
London beat on the power station.
So that's music, sport, movies. And then there's the Now channel. That's the channel for living. It covers leisure, current affairs, the environment, the way we live now. And of course the way that Sir Robin Day lives now with his own unique BSB chat show. And at weekends it becomes the channel for the performing arts. So whenever you want to tune in to the way we live now, it's there.
I've joined BSB for this exciting new venture in broadcasting.
Earlier today, the government launched its latest anti-AIDS campaign.
Selina Scott joins the Now channel to present First Edition, a very new kind of current affairs program. Interviews, film and book reviews, and features on the people behind the news. First Edition is the colour supplement of news television.
Every week on the Now channel, I'll be presenting a showcase of some of the world's best green films.
No fed-up factor there. And finally, there's Galaxy, our entertainment channel, for the best of light entertainment and drama. We've got brand new comedy commissioned by BSB. There's award-winning American comedy, never seen here before. And there's classic comedy that stood the test of time. Also Jupiter Moon, our new space-age soap opera. And there's mini-series and drama series. Mainstream entertainment when you want it.
You're a softie after all.
Sometimes.
Let's be careful out there.
Who do you think you are kidding, Mr. Hitler, if you think we're on the run?
My name is Jules Holland, and this is my piano. Why not join me and him, or she, at 10 o'clock of a Saturday evening for the happening?
D minus 3, 2, 1, 0.
Well, there you have it. Great viewing from BSB and great service from Comet, as well as choice, convenience, speed and value. Thank you for watching. For BSB Satellite Television, you know where to come.